I bet my sister Stephanie's coming over for Craig and Steph Day.
Yep, she should be here pretty soon.
Yep.
Hey, Livy. Well, hi, Josie. Hey, you see Livy's hair?
Huh. Goodness gracious.
Does she look pretty?
Yeah. Yeah, she looks pretty.
Oh my! What's she remind you of, Craig?
Let me
Mosh.
see, Livy.
Agnes.
Oh.
That little girl from Despicable Me.
Yeah.
Livy, come here.
Hi, Steph. Ready for Craig and Steph Day?
Yes, I am.
Me jackets.
Yeah. My God.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Where you guys going, Craig?
Arby's.
Have fun.
Craig and Steph Day! Yay!
What'd you order today at the good
Beef
old
and-
Arby's?
A beef and cheddar with a side of curly fries.
And what are we gonna try?
The Lord mac and cheese.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
It's so good. We gotta get every last bite.
Oh, it is Frenchy.
Is it good?
Sort of.
Not sure.
Tastes good.
And what kind of cookie did you get?
The salted caramel.
Mmm. All right, we just finished our eating at Arby's. How was it?
It was yummy yummers.
What all did you have?
A beef and cheddar with a side of curly fries. And I had loaded mac and cheese. And a cookie for dessert.
What was your favorite thing you ate today?
Beef and cheddar.
Not the French dip?
The French dip.
I'm just kidding. I know you didn't like the French dip. Too Frenchy for you.
Yeah.
Craig, I double dog dare you to try my latte.
No.
Just a little sippy sip. It's delicious.
Some people have been wanting to know if you would give them a tour of your room. Can you start over there in the corner and tell them on the top shelf?
Okay, we have Grogu, Navy Bear, Roscoe, Crocky, a cowboy, a Stitch Mask, Dee Dee the Deer, Wilbur the Pig, Henley, Arby Bear, a Who Has Can of It Got Those Germ Guys, Pennies, an Octopus.
Oh, your pressed pennies are up there.
Yep,
Okay. And those guys are from the Rainforest Cafe, right?
yep. And another Grogu,
Okay.
my Loud Toys, Gummy and His Friends, Muppet Doorables, Disney's Hollywood Studio Kit, my camping one, my race car, hashtag, my armband, widget, a harmonica, the Lego Muppets, and a pink elephant, and this gorilla, hot dog, Disney and a unicorn, Kate Chameleon, some dinosaurs,
Oh, you're down there now by your clock. Okay.
Steamboat Mickey, Burn Bandy, my glass bunny,
Where'd the glass bunny come from?
I don't know, my motion inside out toys, my Grogu, Jiminy Cricket, Baymax, Kermit the Frog, and Haley Maylee as a red panda and a hummingbird, right?
Okay. Where'd the hummingbird come from? Do you remember? And here we've got your Webkinz, right?
Yep.
And these are some of your Webkinz.
Yep.
Okay, and then we'll do the Webkinz first. You have some on your door, right?
Yep.
And then turn on the light. Do you want to go in there with them?
Yes.
This is the Webkinz apartment, isn't it?
Yep.
This is where a lot of them live.
We're happy now.
Yep. They're happier than our old house. They have more room, don't they?
Voice.
You want to get out now? Okay. Okay, here. I'll just show him a little bit more of them.
You're fine.
Craig also has
Boys.
drawers of toys in his room. Looks like these are, what's in this drawer,
They're
Craig?
yowies.
Yeah, these are all the yowies that Craig has collected over the years. Okay, and what's in the bottom drawer? Those are your sound machines you like so much. You don't play with them anymore.
No.
How come?
I don't know.
Just over those. There's more of your Webkinz, right?
Yep.
And these are the Zums. Who likes to play with those, Craig?
Josie.
Yeah, that's what Josie likes to play with. Is it okay if she plays with them sometimes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Someday she'll have a Zum.
Yeah, someday maybe we'll buy her one for her birthday or Christmas or something.
Right.
So she'll have her own. But until then, you don't mind if she plays with yours a little bit as long as she puts them back.
Right.
And these are all of your DVDs, right?
Yep.
You have them.
I used to watch on videotapes, but now I got DVDs.
That's right. And then what's inside of your chest? More Webkinz. These are in here because there's no room to put them on the shelves, right?
Right. Not enough.
Oh, and there's these guys here, right?
Yup. Olaf, Bugs, and Daffy, Gremlins, and dragon named Blaze.
And then these are your Easter decorations that Dad made for you. What's under your bed?
DVDs.
More DVDs?
Yes.
Yep. I think that about covers it. You got your computer set up over here.
Yup.
And what's on the wall?
My night catcher, dream catcher.
Does it work?
Nope.
Nope. Doesn't catch your dreams? Do you ever have bad dreams?
No.
No? Good. Do you ever remember your dreams?
Nope.
Okay, Craig. I have a question from a viewer. What is your favorite Nickelodeon television show?
The Loud House.
That's been your... How many years has The Loud House been your favorite?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years.
Since what year?
2016.
They've been on a lot of adventures with us, haven't they?
Yup.
You used to call Livy Lily from The Loud House, right?
Yup.
What does Lily say?
Poo poo.
That's right. I have another question about your Webkinz.
What?
One viewer wants to know, what is your favorite Webkinz?
The groundhog. His name's Grover.
Can you show us Grover?
He's the were painter. You see, he's the grandson of Punxsutawney Phil.
Do you remember when you got him?
Yeah, Christmas 2011.
And which was your very first Webkinz? Can you show us?
The Orca whale. Ozzy. There he is. There it is. The very first Webkinz.
And when did you get him?
Back from the 2010s.
Was he one of the ones that came to your birthday party, or was it after that?
It was after that. That was before the Webkinz party.
Mm-hmm. He's pretty cute.
Yep. This episode is brought to you by Arby's. We have the meats. And this is Craigie Vever saying, see you tomorrow.